Myself, Gladys Wanga, the national chairman of ODM. So we're going to issue a statement of the position of ODM in Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition and national leadership. We are here as a party to express serious misgivings about utterances by some of our partners in the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party who have attempted to question the place of ODM and its commitment to playing its role as an opposition party. We would not take seriously such utterances were they not directed as they are now at the party leader of the ODM party, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, who is also the leader of Azimio. Someone in Azimio is trying to question Raila Odinga's commitment to holding the government to account. The basis of the doubt is the fact that some 5 of our former officials joined the Kenya Kwanza administration to help steady the nation. We wish to restate that the fact remains what our party leader, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, has said before. There is no agreement between ODM and Kenya Kwanza that makes the two joint partners in government. We have no coalition agreement with the Kenya Kwanza government as ODM. In response to a national emergency and the need to steady the nation, ODM agreed to release in their individual capacities the members who have been tapped by the president. These are former deputy party leaders Ali Hassan Joho, Wycliffe Oparanya, the former national chairman John Badi, and the former secretary for political affairs Honorable James Opio Wandai, and former member of the National Elections Coordinating Committee, Ms. Beatrice Askul. The party leader has explained, and we reiterate, that these members have not joined the government as representatives of the party, but as individuals whom the president felt have the capacity to add value to his administration and help the country achieve the desired goals. No Sen leader or political party should celebrate the collapse of the nation. Consequently, when the president tapped on these members, the party responded to the distress call of the nation and released them to serve the people of Kenya. As a party, however, ODM will continue to play its minority role alongside other parties to push for accountability, transparency, equity, and delivery of services to the people in a cost-effective manner. Having said that, let us make a few things clear. As a party, we will not agree to engage with anyone acting in bad faith and with ulterior motives. On the matter at hand, the questioning of ODM and the Right Honorable Raila Odinga's commitment to opposition, our partners are not acting in good faith. They are hiding behind the 4 gentlemen and 1 lady who joined government and using it to try and wrestle the leadership of the Houses of Parliament from ODM. We find that unacceptable, and we wish to reiterate the obvious. The House leadership is about numbers in the House and not those in government. As we speak, ODM has the highest numbers of MPs professing and committed to Azimio ideals and principles. Majority of the MPs from a number of other coalition parties long went to bed with the Kenya Kwanza in Parliament. This has to be about the sacrifices made. Thus far, ODM has borne the highest brunt in terms of casualties, people killed, maimed, or wounded while expressing opposition to the Kenya Kwanza policies. Demonstrations have not begun this year or last year. ODM and protests are synonymous. We have borne that cross over decades and suffered heavy casualties, all the time, never apportioning any blame. Our members have been forthright and honorable enough to declare that they are joining the government. The 5 have been honorable enough to relinquish their party positions instead of clinging to opposition leadership while serving in the government at the same time. The party leader has been forthright enough to explain that the 5 have joined in their individual capacities to do national duty and not as representatives of party. That is ODM. We act transparently, honorably, and accountably. Finally, as a party, we will not accept any continued attempts to use Raila Odinga as a human shield and any continued attempt to twist him into endorsing anybody at this stage, or any continued attempt to use him as an excuse for the failure of leadership in individual constituent parties of Azimio. And we will not accept the use of Raila Odinga's bid for the African Union Commission chairmanship to be used to pass ill-intentioned remarks disguised as well wishes and to twist him on Azimio matters. Raila has earned his candidacy for the AU chairmanship. We are proud that he is the leader of our ODM party and our coalition, Azimio. We are grateful to the government for standing with him, and we are grateful to the many African leaders who are considering him for this position. As a party, we will only be too proud to donate Honorable Raila to the continent. I thank you. Our deputy party leader will add from there.
Thank you very much. I just want to reiterate the